Bayang mahimim, pwelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyan ka lang magiting, sa manulubi, di ka ba sisil, sa dagat at lubos, sa simoy at sa langit mong buka, baliga ang ulan at awit sa pagayang minamahal. Ang gusto ng mga tawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingling, ang bituin at araw ng kailan kamay niyong didilim. Lupa ng araw ng buhay ating pasinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng may mag-api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Panatang Makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupkop ako at tinutulungang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, diriin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tuturin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tuturin ng isang mamamayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nananangin ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
Good morning, distinguished guests, faculty, and students. Today, we are here to recognize the outstanding achievements of Crystal D. Booth, who has brought honor not only to herself but also to our school. Crystal, your dedication, sleepless nights, and determinations have resulted in this remarkable victory. We are truly proud of you. May this serve as an inspiration for your fellow students to also strive for excellence.
Thank you very much, sir. I am grateful for the support of my teachers, my family, and classmates. And this award is not just for me, it's for all of us.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Di, atak mo ba atak? Bus. Dili ba kung nga utara mo? Dili ba? Pag flash hawa mo na. Hawa mo ba? Ayaw mo. Kana. Hawa. Hawa mo, hawa. Hawa ba? Dali mo. Hawa. Kana.
Savage!
Gi, kana. Types of speech styles.
Style, formal style, informal style, consultative style, or intimate style.
Very good. The second Montana. It also known as fake speech. It is the most formal communicative style that is often used in respectful situation or formal ceremony in any class. Third Montana. It is used formal words and expressions. Anyone? And the fourth is known as the third level of language, unplanned speech. Anyone? Hey, I can tell you something bothering you. You've been quieter than usual. Want to talk about it?
Yeah, I just feel overwhelmed. I don't know what to do anymore. Everything feels like slipping away.
I get it. Life can really hit hard sometimes, but listen, avoiding it won't help. You need to face it step by step. No one climbs mountain in one jump, right? It always one step at a time.
You're saying I should just keep pushing even if it feels impossible? But what if I fail? What if I'm just not good enough?
Failure
failure isn't the end. It's proof that you try. Think about it. Every strong person you look up to has failed probably more time than they succeeded. The real strength is in standing back up, even when it hurts.
Thanks, I really need to hear that.